Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. The ideal time. For every season that ends, there's a realization you won't walk through this same door again. If you stay focused on this closed chapter, you may not see all the other possibilities. They're waiting for you if you simply let go and embrace the new opportunities destined to be. Keep an open mind and know everything comes at the ideal time. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about 3 things you're grateful for in your life right now. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my family. And I'm grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.